What's up, y'all? I just wanted to let y'all know how I've been both mentally and physically. For a long time, my fitness was solid, especially my running. I felt fast, strong, and in control. But then, I got my wisdom teeth pulled out, and that was when things started slipping. I had to sit out for 2 weeks to recover, and just when I was about to bounce back, I got sick. After that, finals came around, and all my focus shifted to school so I could pass my classes. And then, I let myself fall off. Instead of working out, I started drinking more. Vaping, just goofing around. I was escaping, not training. I replaced the discipline with distractions. Damn, I'm fat. Even when I tried to work out, I'd do it after drinking and hitting the vape heavy. And honestly, it's been killing my performance. My cardio's not where it used to be. I can feel it, and I'm not proud of it, but that's the truth. But here's the thing. For the past week and a half, I've been working out again. Still messy, still flawed, but I'm showing up, and I'm ready to take it serious. I've got an ultra marathon coming up, October 4th, 2025. That's just a few months away, and it's not gonna run itself. I've built out a workout plan. I know how many calories I need to eat each day. I've dialed my diet. I know what I need to do. This is bigger than a race. This is about getting back to myself. No more half-assing it. No more numbing, no more distractions. It's time to do a complete 180. Cut the bullshit and lock in. Because I owe it to myself to be better. And I'm inviting y'all to come on this journey. The real journey. So let's get it. Damn, I'm fat.